Look, the meat is just okay combined with the meat and fat. Give more juicy. Dry up or rub with kitchen towel. Melt a bit with a hammer. Add ingredients for marination. We have black pepper, Japanese chili powder, garlic powder, oyster sauce, and salt. Done for marination. Ready, go inside the fridge for all night so that the season will absorb or intact inside the meat. Make nicer the taste. After all night marinated from the fridge, let it cool down a bit. Then start open frying the chop on the stove, and I will coat it with breadcrumbs mixed with herbs, thyme, black pepper, salt. Heat oil, olive oil, or any cooking oil that desired for you. Then I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Must mix it. Can add the pork chop. This egg white. The reds its sides, the pork chop with the breadcrumbs mixture. Look like this, the color should golden brown. Already, guys. Here guys, my food today. Looks yummy, pork chop. Ikain na sa salad. Let's eat with simple salad and potatoes. With dressing. Simple salad. If you wanna try this, my simple recipe is I just write down below the description box the ingredients, the methods, instruction how to do this simple recipe. Okay guys. Let's eat, kain na tayo. Guys, look, the outside is crispy and the inside juicy. So soft and tender. Yummy. Fair with simple salad and potatoes. Seasoned with mayonnaise, salt, black pepper. And please give thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe. And hope you like this video I share with you. And this is NG. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time again. Enjoy your day. So tender. Give thumbs up.